MAAX Bath assumes no responsibilities for final code compliance. Information and specifications shown in this video must be confirmed with appropriate authorities. Units are code compliant when fully equipped and installed according to guidelines. It is the sole responsibility of the installer to determine, prior to the installation, the requirements necessary for compliance with all codes involving the unit or the installation. Outlook Plus Code Compliance Series. Full-strength bathware line. Engineered for every stage of life. AKER code-compliant models meet major accessibility building codes when fully equipped and installed according to guidelines. Our showers and tub showers feature reinforced walls in accordance with the accessibility requirements of the Fair Housing Act, while providing optimal safety for today and tomorrow. AKER stands behind its products with industry-leading warranties. AKER Outlook Plus series is easy for everyone because it's built to perform. Before beginning any installation, make sure no parts are missing by unpacking and laying out all the parts. Read through the installation instructions so that you are familiar with each step prior to assembly. Also, make sure to have all tools and supplies readily available before beginning the installation. The bathroom configuration must include a clearance zone to allow the user to have full access to the unit. Refer to the unit installation guide or with appropriate codes for exact dimensions of the clearance zone. A sturdy frame is required to ensure stability of the unit once installed. Construct the alcove in accordance with specific dimensions specified in the installation guide. Plan the location of the shower drain and water supply lines. In order to comply to accessibility code requirements, the unit requires a specific location of the water control valve. Plan to route the water supply lines to account for these specific code requirements. Before proceeding with the final assembly, ensure plumbing is watertight. To install the handheld shower, drill a 1-inch diameter hole in the recommended target zone. Apply a joint of silicone around the shower connector and insert the connector in the pre-drilled hole. Install the water lines. Tilt the unit forward. Apply silicone to the underside of the drain head. Insert the drain head into the pre-drilled drain hole of the unit. Tighten the lock nut with the friction ring and gasket to secure the shower drain to the shower floor. Before final installation of the drain, the unit must be completely installed. Cut the drain pipe flush to the floor. Make sure the flooring and wall frame structure are level and square prior to installation. The frame structure measurements must be verified against the unit to ensure proper fit. Clean the installation area and underside of the shower. Make sure the floor is free of grease, water, and other contaminants. Before placing the unit in the alcove, measure its depth and trace a line on the floor. Trial fit the shower in the framing enclosure by carefully tilting the shower into the installed location. Use the traced line as a reference to help in positioning the unit. Ensure that the drain pipe and water valve both fit in the pre-drilled holes. Note any adjustment to the framing at this time. Remove the unit from the alcove. Outlook Plus Accessibility Compliance Series installs easily, cleanly, and securely in any situation. Whichever unit or method you choose, code compliance comes easily. Choose from our standard 1 1/8 inch skirt unit that simplifies your work with added height for recessed in-floor or on-floor installation, or our 3/4 inch reduced skirt, perfect for common 3/4 inch finished floor applications. In both cases, a front flange provides a strong and sturdy installation that prevents cracking or bowing of the dam. The recessed in-floor installation allows the shower to be installed below the finished floor level. An alternative to recessed installation is to either build up the entire room floor to be within 1/2 inch of the top of the threshold or to construct a ramp to the shower entry. Prior to placing the unit in the framed structure, apply a thin layer of mortar to fill in the space between the floor and the shower floor. Leave a gap of 5 inches around the drain hole. Tip the front of the unit and place it on the previously marked line. Lower the unit slowly into place. Connect plumbing and drainage according to standards. Note: an opening for inserting the soap dish will be factory drilled if that option is selected. The soap dish must be installed after having positioned the unit in the frame. Cover the shower floor with a cardboard to protect scuffing the shower with your feet during the installation process. Prior to securing the unit in place, several details must be checked. Confirm drain alignment. Confirm the unit is level along the top of each sidewall and across the dam area. Confirm each front inside wall surface is plumb. The use of shims or filler material behind the fastening flange may be required to maintain the unit in the proper position. Fasten the unit using number 8 screws. Start by fastening a screw in each bottom corner of the unit. Drive in the other screws after checking that the unit is correctly positioned, leveled, and squared. Fasten screws into the fastening flange, 8 inches apart along the vertical sides and the floor. For the horizontal sides, fasten a screw in front of each stud. Use shims as needed to level the unit. Assemble the valve as per instruction. Refer to the installation guide. Finalize the drain installation. To be compliant with accessibility codes, the finished height of the threshold must be maximum ½ inch. Once properly installed, the ½ inch interior and exterior beveled threshold edges of our Outlook Plus units allow walk-in or roll-in shower access without worry. It is recommended to wait 24 hours before using the shower to let the mortar dry. AKER Outlook Plus series simplifies life for everyone because it's built to perform.